In today's video, we're going to discuss which broker I'm switching to for maximum Yieldmax performance. Plus, if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll give you 2 Yieldmax stocks that I'm buying now that are near textbook lows in my opinion. So Yieldmax helps me earn over $500,000 per year in dividends, as you can see below. We're up 40% for the year, almost 41%. The S&P is up 23, the Nasdaq's up 25, the Dow's up 15, and the Russell's up 15. So we're beating all of the indexes on a year-to-date basis, and on a daily basis, we're beating the indexes. We're down 0.04% today, and as you can see above, that beat the Nasdaq, which is down 0.11. We're staying right in between the S&P and Nasdaq, which is right what we want when we're using our margin, which is around $600,000. We're living financially free out of our brokerage accounts using Yieldmax and margin. If you need help doing the same, email me for my e-guides at aikentod48@gmail.com. So everyone always asks me, when am I going to make the switch to another broker so that I can get lower maintenance with my Yieldmax funds? Well, I've been thinking about that a lot recently, and I have a good answer for y'all. I think that you're going to appreciate my logic behind this one. So Yieldmax, here's YMAG, for example, right here, and you'll see that Yieldmax is 50% maintenance at E-Trade, and at other brokers, it's less maintenance, okay? If you need help understanding maintenance, that's in my Volume 3 e-guide. If you're familiar with my channel, then you know that for every $1 you put in your account, you get $4 of purchasing power. I'm just using a fraction of this over 1 million in purchasing power to get ahead. My account is at around 1 million, but my purchasing power is what matters. This number fluctuates. My account value, I don't care what this number is. All I care about is my available withdrawal, and you have to keep available withdrawal high in order to live free out of your brokerage account. I swipe my E-Trade card and go wherever I want in this world because I have low maintenance names. Cornerstone is one of my lowest maintenance names. We also have Defiance and some other blue chip stocks that are low maintenance names, and that's how I keep my available withdrawal high. Again, I live out of my debt. I use my E-Trade card and I can swipe it and go wherever I want, do whatever I want with it. And when I buy things, it's at a lower interest rate than credit cards are typically because my margin rates are around 6%. Many of my clients negotiated their rates down as well because you get my phone number when you buy my e-guides. You can call me anytime you need help with your portfolio, and I'll text you that script to negotiate your rates down whenever you're ready. So you have to have low maintenance, all right, to live freely out of your brokerage account and to sustain yourself on dividends instead of a 9-to-5. And maintenance is, again, the whole key to that. And if Yieldmax is 50% maintenance, then that really hurts my chances of living financially free out of my account, because what if the market falls? You need to have over 20% cushions at all times, I always say, in order to avoid market corrections and still pay your bills out of your account. All my bills are automated out of my E-Trade account. I never worry about my bills because I pay them on credit cards first. I get the points, I get the cash back, and then my E-Trade dividends pay back my credit card debt. So that's how I'm living freely out of my brokerage. But again, we need this low maintenance. So where can I switch to get lower maintenance than what E-Trade is offering, which is, again, typically 50% for Yieldmax funds? I always say that when you're trying to invest in Cornerstone, you have to pick the right broker because not every broker has Cornerstone, okay? Cornerstone is a 4-star fund, as you just saw, and it moves upper left to right on its chart. But if you look at Cornerstone on a 1-year chart, you'll see that it moves upper left to right, yes, and it's outperforming all of the indexes right now. But on a 10-year chart, you see that it moves sideways to down. That's because Cornerstone has rights offerings, just like many other closed-end funds. And the best part about Cornerstone, though, is that it has a 30% premium right now, so it drips to 21% dividend down at the NAV for 30% gains every month. So Cornerstone is the whole key to my success. Low maintenance, as I just told you. And I have Cornerstone, which I anchor my account to. I have over 300,000 of my dollars parked into Cornerstone because my 21% dividend is dripped down at the NAV for 30% gains every month. Again, just play Cornerstone properly around its rights offerings if you want to get the most performance possible out of Cornerstone. If you need help playing Cornerstone, that's in my Volume 4 e-guide. When you buy my e-guide, you get free access to Discord for life, where we alert you of the Cornerstone rights offering announcements. So you get my phone number for life when you buy my e-guides, and you get free access to this Discord chat room for life. We have over 1,000 members here in the Discord chat room pursuing the FIRE lifestyle. Okay, so you can't just switch to any brokerage to get lower maintenance with Yieldmax because that brokerage might not have Cornerstone, or they might have Cornerstone, but they might not have the special NAV drip for Cornerstone. So where can I switch brokers in the event of a bind in order to lower my maintenance, which will then raise my available withdrawal and keep me out of a margin call, because I don't want to switch right now. I like the negotiating power I have at E-Trade. I have leverage here because I've been here for so long, so I can negotiate my rates down. I can negotiate my maintenance down in some cases. So I don't really want to leave E-Trade unless I have to. Plus, I like the interface of E-Trade, okay? It's really easy to use. So I don't really want to switch unless I have to, but if I had to, I'm going to go to, well, I'll just say this, I'm not going to Fidelity first, okay? I'm not going to Fidelity because Fidelity has higher maintenance for Cornerstone than E-Trade does. All right, so if you go to CRF here at E-Trade, you'll see that it has 30% maintenance. But if you go to the maintenance tab in Fidelity, you'll see that Cornerstone is 40% maintenance. That's at least what all of my Discord members tell me about Cornerstone. So that's crucial, because if I were to switch over from E-Trade to Fidelity with the amount of Cornerstone that I own, that would take up 40,000 more of my available withdrawal. So that would actually hurt me if I made a switch to Fidelity, because I keep Yieldmax small and I keep Cornerstone is a larger percentage of my account. So even if I had a maintenance change with Yieldmax, or there was a major bear market, because sometimes they change maintenance with Yieldmax over at E-Trade, sometimes they raise maintenance to 100% at E-Trade. So if I'm going to avoid a maintenance change or a bear market that could send me into a margin call, how can I avoid that problem? Well, I can switch brokers whenever I need to, but I can't switch to Fidelity because, again, they have higher maintenance with Cornerstone, which is one of my largest positions. So where can I go? Well, without further ado, it's going to be Interactive Brokers. This is why Interactive Brokers gives you low maintenance, they give you low margin rates, and they give you Cornerstone. They just don't give you the special drip for Cornerstone. But if we're in a down market, then who cares about getting the NAV drip for Cornerstone, because the premiums there won't be that high. So what I'm going to do in the event of a major crash in the market, if I'm in a margin call, which most likely I wouldn't even be in a margin call, because not only can we withstand over 20% corrections, but I keep my put options on at all times to hedge my portfolio in case we have a crash. So I sell put options to lower my margin and my risk, but I also buy put options for insurance to hedge my account in the event of a crash. If you need help hedging your portfolio like I do, that's in my Volume 5 e-guide. And if you need help selling put options to get more performance, lower your margin, and lower your risk in the process, that's in my Volume 6 e-guide. So I'm not worried about a margin call, because yes, I have a large cushion here because most of my names are low maintenance and I can withstand over 20% corrections while still paying my bills, living freely from a 9 to 5. All right, so I told you that if you stuck around until the end of the video, I was going to give you 2 more plays that I'm buying to increase performance with my account. And without further ado, the next play that I have for you all is Snowflake. All right, you can invest in Snowflake through Yieldmax with SONY. All right, so Snowy, SONY. I think a lot of people are sleeping on this stock as well. This is a Warren Buffett backed stock. I don't know if it still is, but I know that it was. So there must be something special in Snowflake. And also on a 1-year chart, it's bottoming out. Okay, let's go to Snow so that we can see the underlying SNOW, and then we can see the true performance. And as you can see here, we're at structural support. All right, so structural support here of around 120. We're rounding out a base here, and on a max chart you can see that we're at structural lows of 2022 and 2023. So I've added Snowflake. I think it's a really special company. I don't really want to get into it. Okay, we know that they do software and data centers, and they have a really good competitive advantage with their technology. So Snowflake, again, the fundamentals are promising, but I don't really care about stocks and their fundamentals. As you know, at my channel, I only care about the dividends and them cash flowing all losses over time. So the dividends will pay back all losses, not worried about that. All I want is for my position to double with dividends. I don't care if the position goes up, sideways, down. All I want are dividends, because dividends act as qualifying income to banks for loans. That's how I live free from a 9 to 5. It's with these dividends, which again qualify to banks for loans. That's how I get a house, a car, or even personal loans to level up my account outside of my margin loans here. So you need qualifying income, and therefore I don't really care, again, what Snowflake is doing. Yes, we want it to go up. Yes, we want capital gains with our dividends, but I just want dividends, okay? Capital gains are icing on the cake. Last up here for y'all, thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. Well, I'm going to give you a long-time favorite, okay? It's just simply GDX, because GDX is gold. You have to buy gold for the long term if you want to be a long-term investor, and it's a good hedge in your portfolio against volatility. Yes, gold doesn't really work in a major market crash, but it's a good hedge even against Bitcoin in some cases. So Bitcoin's been on fire, and then gold has pulled back to the 200-day moving average. All of my members who follow my Fire Portfolio service bought this at the 200-day moving average. We're right here under it. In fact, we saw that it was hugging the 200-day moving average, GDX, and so we bought right here, and it's had a nice move up since. And if you're a trader, you can buy right here and put your stop loss below the 200-day moving average and get a better risk reward proposition. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's the broker that I'm switching to, all right? I have my reasons for choosing that broker. I hope you appreciate that logic. Please comment below if you think there's a better brokerage I could switch to in the event of a maintenance change or a major market crash. All right, so we're outperforming the markets. We're up 40% year to date, living financially free out of our brokerage accounts. If you need help doing the same, email me for my e-guides at akintodd48@gmail.com. When you buy my e-guides, Discord access is free for life, where we alert you of the Cornerstone rights offering announcement, and my phone number is free for life, so keep that in mind. If you like this video, please click like or subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, everyone. Thanks.